Hi guys, DrawwithLaraChan here. I decided to do a quick lesson on how to draw a shamrock for St. Patrick's Day. So here it is. This is what I came up with. This one I added a little face just because I felt like it. But it's really a simple method to doing this. It's really making 4 hearts come together. So if you want to follow along, let's get right into it. For this lesson, what we needed was a piece of paper. 8.5 by 11 is perfect. And we used oil pastel colors, which we haven't used so far, but this is something that we haven't provided from our school, so let's go ahead and use it. We have a Sharpie and a pencil and an eraser. How to draw a shamrock. You start with making an X, like so. Next, you are going to make heart shapes. And that one's a little too small, so let's make that one bigger. And erase the inside. And there you have it. So you already have the general shape here. And then you just make the stem. And there you go. Next, let's trace this. And when you're tracing it, you don't have to come all the way to the bottom, to the middle part. You could leave some room there. Okay, and the stem. Sometimes my hand is not steady, so there we go. Now from here, I'm going to erase these guidelines. And we're going to be using our oil pastels. And from here, I'm going to be choosing the dark green and the light green. And possibly some white and some black. Okay, put that aside. And starting with the dark green, I'm going to be starting from the inside here. I want you to just color the center part using the dark green color. Like so. You could make it come out a little bit more. Okay. Next, using the lighter color, continue. And do the same for the stem. Make it start darker here and perfect. And continue to draw hearts. Maybe one more here. And color it in with the lighter green. Using the white, I'm going to give it some highlight. And I'm going to draw another one. So I'm going to make another X here. This one is going to be smaller. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And this one could be this way. Eraser. From here, I'm gonna draw cute little eyes. Maybe somewhere here. And another one here. The mouth. So starting with the middle. And here we go. Give yourself some room to write a message. Don't forget to sign your work. All done. Thank you so much for drawing with me. If you like this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Happy St. Patrick's Day!